Dear students, our topic is today discussion about software testing tools. Okay. So, what is software testing tools? Testing tools are the tools that are used for the testing of software. Software testing tools are often used to assure firmness, thoroughness, and the performance in testing software products. Unit testing and subsequent integration testings can be performed by software testing tools. These tools are used to fulfill all the requirements of planned testing activities. These tools also work as commercial software testing tools. The quality of the software is evaluated by software testers with the help of various testing tools. Here, types of testing tools. Software testing is of two types, static testing and dynamic testing. Also, the tools used during these testing are named accordingly on these testings. Testing tools can be categorized into two types, which are as follows. Static test tools. Static test tools are used to work on the static testing process. In the testing through these tools, the typical approach is taken. These tools do not test the real execution of the software. Certain input and output are not required in these tools. Static test tools consist of the following: flow analyzer. Flow analyzer provides flexibility in the data flow from input to output. Path test. It finds the not used code and code with inconsistency in the software. Coverage analyzers. All rational paths in the software are assumed by the coverage analyzers. Next one, interface analyzers. They check out the consequences of passing variables and data in the modules. The next one, dynamic testing tools. Dynamic testing tools. So dynamic testing tools process is performed by the dynamic test tools. These tools test the software with existing or current data. Dynamic test tools comprise the following: test driver. The test driver provides the input data to module under test beds. It displays the source code along with the program under execution at the same time. Next one is the emulator. Emulator provides the response facilities which are used to imitate parts of the system not yet developed. Next one is the mutation analyzer. They are used for testing the fault tolerance of the system by knowingly providing the errors in the code of the software. There is one more categorization of the software testing tools. According this classification, software testing tools are of 10 types. There is one more categorization software testing tools. According to this classification, software testing tools are of 10 types. Testing management tools. Test management tools are used to store information on how testing is to be done, help to plan test activities, report the status of quality assurance activities. For example, JIRA, Redmine, Selenium, etc. The next one, go to the automated testing tools. So automated testing tools helps to conduct testing activities without human intervention with more accuracy and less time and effort. For example, APM, Cucumber, Runner, etc. Next one is the third one is performance testing tools. Performance testing tools helps to perform effectively and efficiently performance testing, which is a type of non-functional testing that checks the application for parameters like stability, scalability, performance, speed, etc. For example, WebLoad, Apache, JMeter, NeoLoad, etc. The fourth one is cross-browser testing tools. Cross-browser testing tools. Here, cross-browser testing tools helps to perform cross-browser testing that lets the tester check whether the website works as intended when accessed through different browser operating system combinations. For example, test Sigma, test IAM, Perfecto, etc. The fifth one is integration testing tools. Integration testing tools are used to test the interface between the modules and detect the bugs. The main purpose here is to check whether the specific modules are working as per the client needs or not. For example, fitness, TESI, etc. Okay, the fifth one is testing tools is completed. Next, unit testing tools. Unit testing tools. So unit testing tools are used to check the functionality of expected. For example, Jenkins, PHP unit, JUnit, etc. Next one is mobile testing tools. Mobile testing tools are used to test the application for the compatibility on different mobile devices. For example, IPM, Robotium, Text, IO, etc. Next one is GUI testing tools. GUI testing tools are used to test the graphical user interface of the software. For example, Eggplant, Swice, Auto IT, etc. Ninth one is bug tracking tools. Bug tracking tools helps to keep track of various bugs that come up during the application lifecycle management. It helps to monitor and log all the bugs that are detected during software testing. For example, Trello, GIRA, GitHub, etc. The next one is the last one is security testing tools. Security testing tools is used to detect the vulnerability and safeguard the application against malicious attacks. Here, for example, NetSparker, Vega, ImmuniWeb, etc. The top 10 software testing tools. The first one is Test Complete. Test Complete developed by Smart Beer software is a functional automated testing tool that ensures the quality of the application without sacrificing quality for eligibility. Sacrificing quality or eligibility. Next one is test complete as built-in keyword driven test editor that consists of keyword operations that correspond to automated testing actions. It records the key actions that are necessary to replay, test, and discard all the unneeded actions. It can run several automated tests across separate virtual machines. It has a built-in code editor. It automatically captures screenshots during test, recording and playback. The second one is LAM the test. LAMBDA lambda test. Lambda test is a cross-browser testing tool that helps to evaluate how web application responds when accessed through a variety of different browsers. The here features: it has Selenium scripts on 3000 browsers and operating system environments, giving higher test coverage. It can perform automated cross-browser testing of locally hosted web pages. It can also help to run a single test across multiple browser operating system configurations simultaneously. The third one is TestRail. TestRail is a test management tool that helps to streamline software testing process, get test cases plans and runs. It helps to increase test coverage. It helps to get real time insights into your QA progresses. It helps to document test plans and track real time progresses. The fourth one, X-Ray. X-Ray is a test management application for Jira that helps to plan and execute and track quality assurance with requirements traceability. The X-Ray features here, first one is it promotes native quality management where all tools test used by QA are built natively into development environment like Jira. It integrates with leading automation frameworks like Cucumber and JUnit to automate testing. It allows easy integrations with CI tools like Jenkins Bamboo. It helps to easily map stories using BDD. The fifth one is Zip Hire Scale. Zip Hire Scale is a test management provides a smarter and more structured way to plan, manage, and measure tests inside Jira. So Zip Hire Scale features here. It offers a cross-project integration, traceability, and a structured design useful in large environments. It helps to scale test in Jira. It helps to improve visibility, data analysis, and collaborations. It provides detailed change history, test case versioning, and end-to-end traceability. The Jira issues and challenges. The sixth one is Selenium. Selenium provides a playback tool for a authoring test across most web browsers without the need to learn a test scripting language. In these features, it provides multi-browser support. It makes it easy to identify web elements and the web application with the help of its several locators. It is able to execute test cases quicker than the other tools. The seventh one is Ranorex Studio is a graphical user interface test automation framework. It is used for testing web-based and desktop and mobile applications. It does not have its own scripting language to automated applications. The Ranorex Features it helps to automate tests on Windows desktop, then execute locally or remotely on real virtual machines. It runs testing a parallel accelerate across web browser testing for Chrome, Firefox, Safari, etc. It tests on real iOS Android devices, simulatory emulator, etc. The eighth one is test project. The test project is a test automation tool that allows user to create automated tests for mobile and web applications. It is built on top of popular frameworks like Selenium and in these features, it is a free end-to-end test automation platform for web, mobile, and API testing. Tests are saved as local files directly on your machine with no cloud footprint. It helps to create a reliable, codeless test powered by self-healing, adaptive, wait, and community add-ons. It provides insights about release quality, step-by-step detailed report with screenshots and logs. The ninth one is Catalan platform. The Catalan platform is comprehensive quality management platform that enables team to easily and efficiently test, launch, and optimize the best digital experience. It is designed to create and reuse automated scripts for UI without coding. It allows running automated test of UI elements, including pop-ups, frames. It cases development and allows wider set of integrations and compared to Selenium. The last one is like 10th one is UFT or QTP microfocus. It is a software that provides functional and regression test automation for software application and environments features. It helps to accelerator and to end testing. It boasts AI based machine learning and advanced OCR for advanced object recognition. It helps to test both front end functionality and back end service parts. Master software testing automation in efficient and time bound manner by mentors with a real time industry experience. Join our software automation